Hey there, everybody. Take a look at the temperatures here. Most numbers will be in the upper 50s and lower 60s for just about everybody over the next several days. We are talking about a week's worth of below average temperatures. Beaches tomorrow in the upper 50s. It looks like the warmest we'll get for you throughout the course of the week is 60. We're looking at 60 tomorrow for LA and Orange County, upper 50s for the valleys as well. We could see some very light rain in the forecast for Monday morning, but cold is definitely going to be the main weather story for the high desert. We're looking at 46 degrees for a high on Monday, but look at the mountains. 25 degrees will be the high. Overnight lows in the teens.